What's good, everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So for today's video, may bago na palang performance ng SB19 sa first take at kinanta nila yung Mapa. So this is one of my favorite SB19 songs of all time. It's because of the intent and the message of the song. Talagang very heartfelt and emotional tong kantang to. And I believe na ito rin yung isa sa mga paboritong OPM songs today in this era ni Vice Ganda. Kasi parang narinig ko, nabasa ko online na may sinabi siyang ganyan. And indeed, this is a very wonderful song. So kaya naman ay magre-react tayo for today's video. And do follow me on my social media accounts on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Come on. First take. So if ever may narinig kayong manok na nagtutugtugaok. Andito kasi ako sa bukid and it's 3:48 AM. Madaling araw pa. Katulad dito sa bukid.
Tell me when you're ready. You guys ready?
We're not.
You ready?
We're good? Yeah, we're good. Let's get it.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's go.
Mama, kumusta na di na? Tayo lagi nakikita. Miss na.
I love the alteration sa music. May naririnig akong ganito eh. Recently, may ganitong mga sounds or music. I don't know if it's also a song. No, but naririnig ko tong ganitong parang dramatic effect ng music. Nice, nice. Gusto ko yung bali na yan. Nice. Woo! Galing naman ng parang cello na orchestra. Ganda. Nice. Ganda nung yung pag-akyat ng emosyon, yung dynamics. Oh. Ayan, violin, no? Ayan na muna. Lang sa labis ang ginagawa. Nice. This is so beautiful, no? Para it's very cinematic. Sarap sa ears ng harmonization. Isa talaga to sa pinaka-paborito ko na song. Isa sa mga pinaka-paborito kong songs from them na nag-harmonize sila because it's just beautiful. Let's go, Josh. Alam niyo, in terms of vocals, very impressive na improvement talaga para sa akin ay kay Josh, no? Kasi I heard him struggle a bit, no, nung mga first few years pa ng SB19 or lalo na yung they're rising up to their peak na, 'di ba? I was very honest with reacting to the boys, especially kay Josh, no, na may performance sila ng dalawang live na Mapa na talagang kinabahan siya and it was very obvious sa kanyang pag-deliver. And right now, man, iba yung Josh ngayon, man. Iba yung iba yung delivery niya, iba na yung atake niya, and his voice is more established na talagang alam na niya paano gamitin yung boses niya. So, I really commend Josh for that big improvement of his vocals. Ito din si Philip, oh. Actually, ito si Philip, ito si Ken. He's also a revelation sa grupo. Lalo na yung ano niya, mga low notes niya, no, na talagang he was able to master that, no. He was able to hone that specific tone na meron siya, and that's really unique, no, sa isang grupo na they can all do solos, and I'm just waiting for everyone's solo careers to really boom, not just for the group SB19. Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata. Love is nice. Sarap sa ears ng harmonization. Ganda nung support ni Josh. Alam nyo, pag sinabing lead vocals, diba? Or best vocals, okay? Let's be honest. I want to be honest here. Pag sinabing best vocals sa SB19, maybe most of the fans will say it's Stel because of his very powerful and, napaka-wide na range ni Stel, no? Lalo yung, nakita niyo yung All By Myself with David Foster. That was superb, amazing, no? It was really an impressive feat, no, as an artist na talagang ma-recognize ka, and then you gave a very impressive performance. But there's something about Pablo as well, no, na kahit alam mo na si Pablo yung kumakanta, his tone quality, but there's something about his voice na talagang mapapalingon ka pag naririnig yung boses niya or his singing, because there's something in his I don't know if it's in his tone quality, but I know the way he sings, talagang mapapalingon ka. Ayan mga low notes ni Ken. Huwag mag-alala. Key change. And parang kanina ko pa napapansin si Josh na this song he's really into the song, no? The way niya i-deliver itong mapa, parang ito ata yung isa sa mga meaningful na mga songs para sa kanya, na talagang he's dedicating this song while he's singing. Talagang sincere, no? Nakikita ko kay Josh talaga na kanina pa naagaw niya yung attention ko actually. Grabe yung high notes still, no? Effortless. Ayan, no? O, diba? Diba sabi ko sa inyo, si Pablo, there's something about his voice or his style na talagang very interesting, no? Sarap din sa tenga Ayun, may raspiness to. Ayun, Woo! Nice. Nice, bro.
Goodness. How was it going?
I don't
How are you? How are you?
Yeah, it was great.
I like it.
Yeah.
I love it. I feel it.
Yeah, it's really good here.
Nakakatuwa naman, no? Na parang kahit sila, no? Kahit naging, let's say, they're used to it, no? Pero, kinakabahan pa rin sila, no? Talagang, it's not because natatakot sila natatakot silang mag-perform, no? Natatakot silang kumanta, natatakot silang magkamali. It's about the pressure na gusto nilang mabigyan tayo ng best, no, na performance. And I think that's the aim of every artist, especially yung mga artists na as passionate as SB19. So normal talaga yan. But with their experience na, concert here and abroad, I know that they can already manage their emotions, yung kaba, and they can turn it into an impressive, performance, just like this. So yeah, that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. And do follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. Okay? So God bless you all. See you on my next video. Bye.